Hi everyone, it's a lazy Sunday morning for me and I'm gonna make my favorite pancake recipe, so I thought I'd share it with you. It's buckwheat flapjacks. It's gluten-free and dairy-free. So, let me show you what I'm doing here. So the recipe will be in the description below, but I've got 3/4 cup of buckwheat flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder. So I'm just going to mix those in. That's mixed in, and I'm going to add 2 eggs to another bowl. So I've got 1 3/4 cup coconut milk and water mixed evenly. And a 1/4 cup of blackstrap molasses. Today we're going to use 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. Are ready to cook. So let's go into the kitchen and get this cooked up. See how the batter's nice and thin. My skillets are hot, but not smoking hot. Almost ready to flip because it's got bubbles in it. We'll flip it. And there we go. And because we harvested a bunch of maple syrup this past winter, late winter, early spring, I'm having maple syrup on these guys. Well, that makes a pretty good stack of pancakes. And they're nutty and just so rich flavored. So, bon appetit. Thanks for joining me. Perfect. See you next time.